Are you a human? Prove it if you can. In this video, we dive into the details of CAPTCHA technology, exploring how it works, how creative it can be, and how secure it truly is. Stay with us to learn more. What is CAPTCHA and how does it work? The term CAPTCHA is an acronym for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. Simply put, it's a security measure used to verify that a user is truly human and not a bot. CAPTCHA works by asking people to perform tasks that a software bot cannot complete. Then, it checks the user's responses against the correct answers stored in its system. If the responses match, the user can proceed. What are the types of CAPTCHAs? CAPTCHAs come in three basic types. Text-based CAPTCHA. Users must decipher and enter distorted combinations of digits and letters into a text box. Image-based CAPTCHA. Users are asked to select specific elements within an image, such as choosing all squares that contain traffic lights. Audio CAPTCHA. Users listen to an audio version of a code and then type what they hear. You can also find CAPTCHAs that use math problems like 2 plus 2, word puzzles, drag and drop puzzles, etc. Get creative and tailor your CAPTCHA to fit the vibe of your site. What is reCAPTCHA? This is a more advanced type of CAPTCHA developed by Google. It features a checkbox labeled "I am not a robot," which users need to select to complete the test. The system analyzes user behavior, such as mouse movements and clicks, to determine whether the activity is performed by a human or a bot. If the behavior suggests a bot, reCAPTCHA will prompt the user with a traditional image selection CAPTCHA. How is CAPTCHA generated? Programmers use various techniques and algorithms to generate CAPTCHAs depending on their type. For example, text-based CAPTCHAs often use tools like GIMP to create random, distorted words. Image CAPTCHAs, on the other hand, rely on extensive databases of images. Complex algorithms randomly select and present specific images to the user, such as fire hydrants. To ensure effectiveness, programmers monitor how each image performs and remove those that are confusing. What triggers a CAPTCHA test? CAPTCHA is typically triggered by suspicious activity. Common causes include IP addresses flagged as bot-like, users accessing a site without being signed into Google or Gmail, bot-like behavior, including unusual clicking patterns or lack of mouse movement, lack of browsing history, sudden changes in user session data, such as logging in from different locations or devices simultaneously. Is CAPTCHA safe to use? Generally, CAPTCHAs are safe, but they are not foolproof. Cybercriminals can bypass them using machine learning technologies or by outsourcing the task to human operators through CAPTCHA farms. You can even try cracking CAPTCHAs with a little help from ChatGPT. What about CAPTCHAs taking your data? Traditional CAPTCHAs do not store or track your data. However, modern reCAPTCHAs do collect data such as your IP address and the resources you load to determine whether you are human or a bot. Although this data is typically minimal, it raises some privacy concerns. Therefore, we recommend carefully evaluating the CAPTCHA technology used on your site, considering both its effectiveness and its impact on user experience. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will help you make the most of technology.